Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So, today I'm telling about you Keukenhof Gardens, Netherlands. Important facts about Keukenhof Garden is one of the most famous and largest flower garden in the world. It is located in the Netherlands and is known for its stunning display of tulips, daffodils, and other spring bulbs. Here are some important facts about Keukenhof Garden. History. Keukenhof Garden was established in 1949 on the ground of Old East and was used as a hunting ground by the Countess of Hainaut in the 15th century. The name Keukenhof Garden means kitchen garden. So, in Dutch, as the area was originally used to grow herbs and vegetables for the castle's garden. Location. Keukenhof Garden is located in Lisses, a small town in the province of South Holland, Netherlands. It is situated between Amsterdam and the Hague, making it easily accessible by public transport to car. Size. The garden covers an area of 32 hectares and contain more than 7 million flowers were planted each year. Flower varieties. Keukenhof Garden is known for its display of tulips with over 800 different varieties of tulip planted each year. Other flowers on display include hyacinths, daffodils, and lilies. Season. The garden are only open to the public from mid-March to mid-May each year, which is the prime blooming season for the flowers. Attraction. In addition to the stunning flowers display, Keukenhof Garden offer a variety of attraction and activities for visitors, including a maze, a windmill, a playground, and several art installation. So, visitors. Keukenhof Garden is a popular tourism destination attracting around 1 million visitors each year from all of the